Right, we're at the San Antonio Hotel in Kalami, Corfu. We're on the second highest room block here and we're in room 645. You can see that's a wall and that's a road up there. So I'll give you a little tour. It's quite a nice room. This is the interesting thing, is the bathroom's pretty small, and weirdly it's got the biggest bathroom sink I've ever seen. I don't know if you can kind of make it out on this video, but it's absolutely massive. It's really strange in the small bathroom. I think they probably should have brought this wall further out a bit, because the main room is absolutely decent size. Let's pan around here. We've got a door there which is a bit strange. It's got frosted glass in it. I don't know why they do that. Kind of a little bit of a nuisance with light. And then there's some wardrobes there, which is really good. And then we've got a fridge. I think we've got a couple of bottles of complimentary water. We can fit loads of stuff in there. A flat screen TV. There's a sofa bed, I think. We've got twin beds here, so just pushed up together. It's a really nice size room. Quite kind of plainly decorated, but I suppose in Greece the kind of light colours are pretty usual. And then this is the best bit about the room. I think all the rooms in the hotel have got sea view, but because we're pretty much at the top of the hotel, you get a really good panoramic view. Try and zoom in. See some beds that you can rent. And then there's one or two tavernas in the village, and then just over there, that is the White House, which is where Lawrence Durrell lived at one point. It's a restaurant now, which we're going to try. And over in the distance beyond that little headland, I think it's Corfu town across there, but it's quite kind of hazy today, so I won't bother trying to zoom in. So yeah, it's absolutely fantastic outlook here. We've got a view of the hills as well. Reasonable sized balcony. Got a table and chairs, and then a third chair. So I think this sofa bed thing can be used as a bed if you've got a third guest. There's nobody allowed under 15, but I guess if you've got a teenage kid, probably use that. So yeah, so room 645.